Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss how to respond to a copyright objection in India step by step. If you've applied for copyright and suddenly see objection raised in your status, don't panic. This is a very common situation, and it doesn't mean your application is rejected. In this video, I'll explain why objections happen, the different types of objections, and exactly how you can reply properly to get your copyright approved without delays. Let's get started. Registering a copyright in India is an important step for securing legal ownership and protecting your creative work, whether it's a book, song, logo, film, software, photograph, or artistic design. However, during the registration process, applicants often receive a copyright objection from the Copyright Office. Many individuals panic when they see the term objection raised in their application status, but objections are very common and do not mean that your application has been rejected. It simply indicates that the copyright examiner needs clarification or additional documents before approving the registration. In this detailed guide, you will learn why objections occur, types of objections, and a step-by-step method to reply professionally so your copyright application is accepted without delays. What is a copyright objection? A copyright objection is an official notice issued by the Copyright Office when they find missing information or incorrect details, similar works already registered, unclear ownership or authorship rights, formatting or documentation errors. The objection notice usually includes reasons for objection and a request for supporting documents or written responses. Why do copyright objections happen? Here are the most common reasons why objections are raised during copyright registration in India. 1. Incorrect or incomplete application details. Selecting the wrong category, literary, artistic, sound recording, software, etc., or providing mismatched information can trigger an objection. 2. Missing mandatory documents. For example, no objection certificate (NOC) from the publisher or artist, power of attorney, proof of creation date, etc. 3. Similar work exists in the copyright registry. If a previously registered work looks similar, the department needs clarification to avoid infringement disputes. 4. Dispute over ownership. Multiple creators or co-authors without consent letters can create confusion. Blurred images, unreadable PDF, or incomplete script/music files may lead to objections. 6. Third-party opposition. When another individual claims ownership of the same or similar work. Types of copyright objections. There are two major categories. 1. Formal objections. These are raised by the copyright examiner due to missing documents, typing mistakes, wrong category selection, incorrect formatting. 2. Substantive objections. These are raised due to ownership claims, similar existing works, third-party disputes, legal interpretation issues. How to respond to a copyright objection in India, step-by-step process. Follow these steps carefully to submit a proper reply to the objection. Step 1. Download and read the objection notice carefully. Visit the official Copyright Office website and check your application status using your diary number. When you see objection raised/awaiting reply, download the objection details and read them thoroughly. What to check? Exact reason for objection. Documents required. Response time allowed. Type of clarification requested. Step 2. Identify the main issue. Try to determine whether the objection is a technical or clerical issue, a document-related issue, an ownership or similarity dispute, a third-party opposition. Understanding the problem helps you prepare a strong reply. Step 3. Prepare your written reply. Draft a professional written response addressing every point raised in the objection. Key points to include in your reply. Clear explanation and justification. Evidence proving originality and ownership. Supporting documents and legal references if required. Step 4. Collect and attach supporting documents. Depending on your situation, you may need to attach NOC from owner, partner, designer, publisher, or client. Self-declaration of originality. Proof of creation such as screenshots, drafts, or timestamps. Agreement between co-authors. Trademark certificate if logo. ID and address proof. Make sure all documents are clear and readable, properly labeled, formatted in PDF. Step 5. Upload the reply online. Log into the application portal and upload written reply letter, supporting attachments, declaration form, if required. After uploading, verify that the files are visible and successfully submitted. Step 6. Monitor the status regularly. The office may accept your reply or request a hearing for discussion. Track the status every 10 to 15 days to ensure smooth progress. Tips for writing an effective objection response. Be clear, factual, and respectful. Address each objection point separately. Attach strong supporting evidence. Avoid emotional statements and assumptions. Take legal help if technical or legal issues are involved. What happens after you submit the reply? Let's understand what happens after you respond to a copyright objection. If the examiner accepts your reply, your application simply moves forward to the next approval stage. But sometimes, the examiner may ask for more information. In that case, you'll need to submit a second response. In certain situations, a hearing might be scheduled, and you'll have to attend it either physically or online. However, if the application is rejected, don't worry. You still have the option to file an appeal. And finally, let's quickly look at some common mistakes you should avoid. Ignoring objection notice or delaying response. Sending incomplete documents. Poor drafting or vague explanations. Uploading unclear or low-quality files. Not consulting professionals when unsure. How VMK Professionals helps with copyright objections. Responding to objections is often the most complex stage, and many applications get rejected due to technical or legal mistakes. At VMK Professionals, we provide expert support for handling copyright objections in hearings. Whether you're an artist, author, filmmaker, software developer, YouTuber, designer, or business owner, our team ensures your copyright is approved smoothly. Final thoughts. Receiving a copyright objection is common, but responding correctly and on time is the key to securing legal protection for your creative work. A well-drafted reply supported by valid evidence can convert an objection into approval and help you receive your copyright registration certificate without unnecessary delay. If you want professional help to avoid mistakes and ensure a successful approval, VMK Professionals is here to support you from filing to final certificate. That's all for today's video. We hope you learned something new about how to handle and respond to copyright objections in India. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful legal and business guides.